Arizona, the Phoenix area, technically actually Chandler, Gilbert area. I'm here for work, and I'm like, while I'm here, I gotta see some breweries. I gotta check this place out. I went once to some sort of like gastropub a couple years ago, but I haven't actually visited the breweries. The first stop is a brewery called Haus, Pedalhaus. When I got there, they were more like BJ's or more actually like Gordon Biersch, which is LA German beer bar. They're more of like a gastropub, but they have like a bunch of locations. This one though, I think they only had like 3 or 4 locations when I asked about it. But yeah, I had to stop in there and grab a couple pints. I give that like a good 3.5 thumbs up. I thought it was solid. Good Pilsner, crisp, clean. Of course, got the IPA also, which was also crisp and clean and nice. A little moldy, but still very delicious. The next brewery I went to was called Arizona Wilderness. A little farther north, North Gilbert area. I'm staying in the Chandler area. But that was pretty good. Actually really solid. I give it like a good 4.5 thumbs up, maybe even 5. Very solid stuff. And the last place I went to was called Fine Bassett Brewery. Kind of a weird spot, kind of not the best, maybe like 3 thumbs up, but it wasn't terrible. It was pretty solid stuff, but there's so many more breweries. I'm here for 3 more days. I'm gonna try and hit 1 or 2 more. I am here for work, as I said, so I don't know what I can do. I don't know what I can get to or when I can get to it. I'll probably be done with all my stuff like around 6 every day. So if I can try and get out and hit a few more, it'd be amazing if I could. I love exploring new areas. It's my favorite. I love exploring new breweries. It's really cool to see the different kind of stuff they put in the beer, the way they make it, the styles. It is all a little different. I will say, from Los Angeles area and some other breweries I've been to around the world, they all have their different sort of take on it. Granted, a lot of the base is the same, but I love the diversity that each brewery tries to bring. A lot of these guys are home brewers. They were home brewers originally. That's how they all started. I'd say probably 90% of breweries. So to see them bring their own style and unique flavors and taste and ideas into each different beer is really cool. Like, for example, the Arizona Wilderness beer, they had a prickly pear double IPA. Never would have thought to have done that, but it tasted pretty solid. That is getting weird, by the way. So yeah, happy I got to try out some of these breweries. And yeah, see you next time.